This illustration deals with conductors, minimum size and ampacity, in accordance with NEC 430.122A, Informational Notes 1 and 2. The purpose of the change was to accept a new informational note. So a new informational note has been added to clarify the potential risk involving possible damage to the equipment in conductors on the output of an adjustable speed drive. There are multiple ways to mitigate the risk, so a specific method and consideration includes one or more of these factors. Now, one of the first things I would like to look at is the panel board, the service equipment to the left. And notice the overcurrent device, 100 amp or less may be the rating, has to comply with 430.130A and B. Secondly, your conductors are calculated and sized by 430.122A. So we kind of get the feel for sizing the overcurrent device and the conductors to the adjustable speed drive based upon the input rating of the drive. And then, of course, we will next review the informational notes, and Note 1 deals with factors. Factors affecting the conductors include, but not are limited to, the output voltage of the drive, frequency and current of the drive, the length of the conductors from the drive to the motor, the spacing between the conductors, the dielectric strength of conductor insulation, and then the final bullet says, states really, review informational note 2 to 430.122A. And those are factors that might affect the conductors, so need to be reviewed in detail if you're dealing with these drives. And Note 2 states these conductors are subject to breakdown, and the above bullet should be adhered to as an aid in reducing the breakdown conditions so as to comply with 430.122A Informational Note 2. Now, as a reminder, for electronically protected as applied to motors, see 430.2 in the 2020 NEC, and I think this kind of gives you an overall view of what can affect these conductors, how they would be sized from the drive to the motor and from the service equipment to the drive. And of course, you know, these drives, they can be as smart as you want them to be as long as you got the money to pay for the design of them from the manufacturer.